everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to redeem Gift Choice gift card online. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by pressing that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by going to your web browser. In the URL box, type in www.giftchoice.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in this official web page of Gift Choice. Now simply go to the top right hand corner right where you see the redeem label and give it a click. Gift Choice is a new gifting solution that allows you to select where you want to spend your gift. You must first redeem your card before you can spend it in store. So go ahead and enter your gift choice number or your gift card number available at the back of your gift card. After entering your 14-digit long gift choice code, which is available at the back of your gift card, click on I'm Not a Robot beneath. Now click the continue button, and on the next page you'll need to add in your personal information. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to redeem your gift card with Gift Choice. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.